Hello, everyone. I hope you're all doing well today. Today, I'm here to talk about nuclear pulse propulsion. So, you may be wondering, what exactly is nuclear pulse propulsion? It is a type of rockets where the rocket utilizes the thrust generated by the explosion of nuclear bombs to travel at high speeds. Nuclear pulse propulsion has very high efficiency and is fuel efficient. While this may seem like science fiction, it is definitely possible to do with the resources available today. One scenario where the nuclear pulse propulsion could be used would be in an apocalypse scenario. That this type of rocket can accelerate to almost 15% of the speed of light very fast and would be the only type of rocket robust enough to support generations of people to recolonize other planets. Here, there's an example of nuclear pulse propulsion. You can see the rocket is shooting out specially shaped nukes out from the behind and then utilizing the momentum and heat generated to go forward at high speeds. The energy from the nuclear bomb can be gathered in one of two ways. It can be either harvested in the form of heat in the pusher plate, or the momentum can be captured and smoothly applied to the rest of the rocket to facilitate acceleration. For example, if the bomb is exploding here and the rocket's here, there would be a buffer plate in between so that the acceleration would not tear the rocket apart. Nuclear pulse rockets undergo very high g forces from their sudden acceleration and thus are made to be able to withstand them. The pusher plate of a nuclear rocket can be made of any material, as the conditions of space can reduce ablation or erosion caused by the nukes to almost zero. This can answer the question of what would happen to the pusher plate if the nuke, why doesn't the pusher plate get eroded from the explosion of the nuclear bombs? Over here, I have a photo of Project Orion. Project Orion was a theoretical project in the 1950s to make an actual nuclear pulse rocket. Project Orion was stopped because of the Strategic Test Ban Treaty of 1963, but had it been able to been tested, it might have been the basis for new rockets today. And it was mathematically proven that a Super Orion rocket ship that used fusion bombs could support up to 10 million tons, which is the size of a small city. Schematics were made, and this entire project could be made with materials that were available in 1958. Another futuristic example of nuclear pulse technology is a rocket powered by clean fusion bombs. These would cause little to no harmful fallout, and this idea was widely explored in Project Daedalus, which was an offshoot of Project Orion using clean fusion. To sum it up, nuclear pulse technology is a very interesting and futuristic form of rockets, and it's very useful because it is not only fuel efficient, it has very high thrust velocities, and it's not hard to make, and it's not even that expensive as comparison to other rockets for the efficiency. So I'm hoping that one day in the future we can actually see the launch of one of these rockets. I hope you guys enjoyed my presentation. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye!